Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you. This is Italian chicken stew, and this recipe comes from the Tuscan region of Italy. Of course, we've got the fresh basil. You gotta have basil. Ah, wow. Even the basil buds go in there. Oh yeah. Ooh. Fresh tomatoes. You know they're ripe when they're starting to split like this. Yeah, that's gonna be good. These are heirloom tomatoes. Garlic, of course. Gotta have garlic. Garlic, a little unknown fact for you, is probably the #1 consumed healing plant in the world. Garlic's powerful stuff. Onions. We've got some smoked pancetta. Pancetta is gourmet bacon. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. And as you know, this is expensive. And since it's chicken stew, of course we got to put in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm using about 3 pounds of chicken, less than a pound of pancetta, half the bulb of garlic, 2 medium onions, about 1 cup of basil chopped, maybe 2 large tomatoes, and the bonus in this recipe, fresh green beans. So follow along, we're gonna get going on this. Okay, the first step we gotta do, of course, is get the pancetta cooking. As you know, this gourmet bacon needs to be browned. It's gotta be crispy brown. So with that, I'm going to slice it up, dice it up. However, I like to remove the outer tough rind off the back. So to remove that rind, I hold my knife pretty flat and go right along the bottom like this. 1 quick cut. That's all it takes right there. Ooh, it's beautiful, beautiful pancetta. Okay, this gets reserved for another recipe. And if you have animals, oh yeah, they love it. It's good for them. So you can cut it up into some chunks and then give it to your animals to eat. If they have meat in their diet, which they should, that's really good treats right there. They're gonna love it. Okay, for the pancetta, we're going to cut this into slices like this. Oh yeah. Nice chunks. It's tough stuff. Better make sure you're using a sharp knife if you're going to cut your pancetta like this. Yeah. It's going to be good. $9 US. Depends where you are in the world and how much the prices are, but maybe leave a comment. Let us know what this pancetta would cost where you are. This was $9 US for 1 pound or half a kilo. So it's pretty nice stuff. And we're ready to fry it up here. I want to give you a close-up and show you just what I got here. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got a hot pan here. The pancetta goes in the pan. I like to start with a few drops of olive oil just so it doesn't stick. Move that oil around a little bit. That's gonna be really good. Follow along, I'm gonna keep this going and I'll be back. So we continue cooking the pancetta until it gets nice and brown. You want to stir it occasionally. Okay, this pancetta is just about done. You can save all the fat for another recipe if you like to. Oh yeah, pancetta smells good, looks good. I'm going to put it right here on this towel to dry and cool. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be good. Yeah, you gotta have that.